Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into Chickanic. Hope everybody's having a great week. Are you ready to hear how you can win a Christmas gift worth $200 from Chickanic? Watch this video and find out.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me two Tecumsehs leaking and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me six blades to sharpen, five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me seven rewind sprung, six blades to sharpen, five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the eighth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me eight greasy bearings, seven rewind sprung, six blades to sharpen, five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the ninth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me nine heads to spool, eight greasy bearings, seven rewind sprung, six blades to sharpen, five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 chains to cut, nine heads to spool, eight greasy bearings, seven rewind sprung, six blades to sharpen, five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 stock orders, 10 chains to cut, nine heads to spool, eight greasy bearings, seven rewind sprung, six blades to sharpen, five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me the GOOLOO GT4000. Oh, it's what I've always wanted. Thank you, honey.
I hope y'all liked my Christmas video from last year. That was when the GOOLOO GT4000 jump starter came out. And you know I do not push anything on my channel except something I personally use, and I actually own three GOOLOO GT3000 and 4000s. I keep one at the house, one at the shop, and one in my car. They are, to me, the best jump starter ever made. In fact, Project Farm just came out with a video on Sunday showing the best car jump starters for 2022, and you know what made it on top of the list? The GOOLOO GT4000 jump starter. So I happen to have an extra one laying around the house, and I'm planning to give it away for Christmas, along with some t-shirts and stickers. So if you don't win the big prize, still play, because I'm giving away lots of stuff. Now, it wouldn't be fun unless we made it a game. So everybody remembers when you were in school and your teacher would have a jar sitting up there and she wanted you to guess how many marbles or M&Ms or whatever was inside the jar. And if you guessed correctly or got the closest, you won whatever was inside of it. Well, I don't have a jar or things to put in it, but I do have a brand new GOOLOO GT4000 jump starter that I'm giving away. And all you have to do is count and give me the amount of how many carburetors were sitting in front of me on the counter in that video. Now, if you paid attention real close, you're gonna know the exact answer. And the first one to give the correct amount wins the GOOLOO GT4000 jump starter. I do gotta stop here and give a disclaimer though. You have got to make sure that if I comment back to you, it will be my name, Chickanic, with a check mark. You can click on it, you can see that it's my channel with all of my content. There are spammers out there, and anytime you give something away, they are going to attack the people in the comments trying to act like they're me. They steal my profile picture, but when you click on them, they are just a blank page of nothing. They have no content whatsoever. They're trying to scam you by making you send money for the shipping. I will never do that. I will never ask for any money, so please make sure you don't get scammed. I will only be contacting you from your comments so I can get your email address, so I can get more information and send you your gift. And while I'm at it, I have to give a huge thanks to all of you who have gone over to my Amazon wish list and gotten me things off there. Y'all are just way too kind, way too generous. Thank you so much. All right, so how do you win? You have to be a subscriber, which yes, I can see if you are or not. Then you comment on how many carburetors are sitting on the counter in front of me at the end of the video. And if you guess correctly or get very close to it and nobody else does, you will win this brand new GOOLOO GT4000 jump starter. But that's not all. I'm gonna be giving away t-shirts, stickers, some toolkits, some hemostats, maybe some of my favorite pliers. So definitely participate in the fun and let me give some gifts away. So now you know how to win, but if you'd like to hang around, watch the rest of this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what this GOOLOO did with my big, huge diesel truck last year whenever it was dead and how awesome it started it, just so you can see how awesome this thing is. And if you don't feel lucky and you just wanna go ahead and buy your own jump starter, I will leave a link in the description box below. I will also leave a link to Project Farm's video because it goes over everything this bad boy does, and you will be quite impressed. So thanks again for tuning in to Chickanic. I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas. Thanks guys, have a great day. Yeah, but let me introduce you to the brand new GOOLOO GT3000 jump starter. All right, so before we take this bad boy outside and put it to the test, let's go over some of its accessories and options. It does come with a carrying bag for it and all of its cables, easy connect booster clamps to jumpstart your battery, a charging cable for the auxiliary port of your vehicle, so it will send actually 100 watts of power to the GOOLOO if you want to charge, or if you want to charge something else at 100 watts of power the other way. And an adapter for you to be able to hook up your car's emergency air compressor. And it also comes with charging cables that are USB to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C, which you can use to actually charge this with a charging block. What's awesome on the new GOOLOOs is it actually comes with a 3-inch LCD digital screen display. On top of that, this thing has a 24-month standby time, so charge it up and don't even think about it again until you need it. And last but not least, it also comes with a flashlight. So we've got full 400 lumens, the SOS strobe effect. It's awesome. So without further ado, let's take it outside and see how good this bad boy works. So this is my 1999 Ford F-250 7.3 liter Power Stroke engine, and it is dead, D-E-D. Let me show you. It ain't gonna start. So let's try out the GOOLOO and see what it does. All right, so we have the GOOLOO out. It's super light, compatible, easy, and it's the most powerful booster there is. So I'm gonna put my clamps on here. And it's going to turn on automatically. Now I need lots of power to start this bad boy, so I'm gonna hit the boost button, clicks, and I'm gonna start it. years we use the Stanley Fat Max around the shop, and it's good for what it's worth, but seriously, this thing is heavy to lug around, and it's only 1/3 the power of the GOOLOO GT3000. All right, to just show you the difference between the GOOLOO GT3000 and the old Stanley that we've been using forever, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and try to start the truck. That's about all it's got. So let's put on the GOOLOO. It's easy, compact. It will start right away. We're going to hit the boost. It's clicked. It started up.